Hello and welcome to Home Assistant Tips by Larry. Before we get started, we are going to assume you already have a working instance of Home Assistant and you already have ESP Home installed and working and you know how to flash a microcontroller with ESP Home.
So this is the web page we're going to be installing WLED from. Select English and then go ahead and select the type of installation you want to do. And you can see in the video that I'm selecting the C3 version of the ESP32. Then I'm going to agree to the agreement there, and then I'm going to hit the install button. And then I'm going to select the appropriate port for my ESP32 C3. And then it's going to come up and ask me if I want to install the software. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click on the install button. I'm going to speed this up some so you don't have to wait so long for the install. And then once the install is done, click the next button and then click close on this one and reboot your ESP32. Once you reboot ESP32, click on the install button again, click on that device and click. Now click on connect to Wi-Fi and go ahead and put in your Wi-Fi credentials. Once you put in your Wi-Fi credentials, go ahead and click the connect button. Then once it successfully connects to your Wi-Fi, you can go ahead and click on visit device. Once you click on that, it will take you to your device configuration and usage page. If you see this screen, then you have successfully installed WLED on the microcontroller. Now let's go ahead and add that to Home Assistant. Click on Notifications, and then click on the Check It Out link. That will take you to the Devices page. You should have an option to configure the WLED device. Go ahead and hit the Submit button. And then select the bedroom or whatever other room you want to put this in. And then click the Finish button at that point. This will add WLED controller to your Home Assistant. And as you can see it there. Here you can see the microcontroller and the 5 meters of LED strip that I'm using, and you can see the LED strip is going through different effects. The 5 meters of LED strip takes about 6 amps or more for this particular effect. So if you're going to run an entire 5 meter strip, make sure you have a decent sized power supply to do it with. I'm fixing to switch to the Home Assistant screen, and you can see here we have the Home Assistant, and you can select different effects from here or turn the strip off and on with that button there. Here you can also select the effects at the bottom, and they have probably 100 or more different effects that you can pick from, all kinds of different effects. It's really a neat piece of software that he did. The MCU controller that I'm using here is actually one made by Seed Studio. It's called a Tiny MCU. It is a new type of microcontroller that they created for not just for LEDs, but for all types of projects. I had used one in my Mega project in my previous videos. The pinout for the Electro Cookie board is in my GitHub page. So please go there if you want to see how to create this controller. The link will be in the video description of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any thoughts about how to make this controller better, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you. I will be giving away this WLED controller at the end of this month. The giveaway rules will be on my GitHub page, so check that out. This will include the microcontroller, of course, the LED strip. There's 5 feet of LED strip here, the power cable, and the power brick that will power the unit. This giveaway is not being sponsored by YouTube, and I am solely responsible for providing the device as the prize for this giveaway. The contest will start today, May 2nd, and will end May 31st.
The code to get the sensors working in ESP Home will be linked in the video description. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel so we can continue to make these videos, and as always, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments section. See you next time.